What's up YouTube, welcome back to a new video. It's your boy MJR. Today we're back on Efootball 2022 doing some pack openings, but first I want to show you my team because I haven't been playing the game for long. So this is my team so far. Yeah, it's not that bad, it's not that great, but I'm trying to upgrade players, like, you know what I'm saying. Yeah, I opened Real Madrid twice. I got Madrid and Camavinga like 2 days ago, 3 days ago. So I wanted to do another video so I get more players like Vinicius Junior and that stuff, innit? Yeah. But I don't know what's going on, that's the problem. And also I can open 2 Real Madrid players. We'll see who's in here. I can get Michelene, that guy's good. I can get Roberto Carlos or Morientes. But I really want Michelene. That's who I want. And yeah, Real Madrid, I already told you who I want. I mean, I want Vinicius Junior. I already have Benzema, so I don't want him. I want Vinicius Junior or Courtois. I want Vinicius Junior or Courtois, that's it. Yeah, I really got Camavinga, and I don't mind getting it Militao. I don't mind him, but I really want, yeah. So give me Militao, Vinicius Junior or Courtois, please, Konami. I mean, please Efootball. I say Konami, but it's Konami still, I don't know. Yeah. Please, Vinicius Junior, I want to see a 5-star, 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 5-star. It's going to be a 5-star anyways, I don't know how I'm chatting. Please, please. Militao, okay, I'll take him. I thought it was Rodrigo. Militao, not bad, not bad. I'll take him. I have to upgrade him then. Not bad, not bad. I didn't get him with Vinicius, but it's calm. Then we're going to move on to the Madrid Charlton B. So basically opening two for free. Let's go. I told you who I want. I want Michele. Give me a 5-star player, please, Konami. I want to see that. I want to see that legend. I want to see that legend, you know. Spain. 3-star flip off. Is flipping Goodis. Gonzalo Goodis. I don't know how to say his name. No, it's Suso. What a flip am I talking about? Please, man, give me a legend, man. I want a legend so badly. Spain. 3-star again! Why is it all time 3-star? What a flip, man. Who's this player? Flipping. I think I know this guy. I don't know his name, but I think he plays for Real Betis. No, he doesn't. Benzella, who the flip is that? I don't know, like, massive number 16. He must be joking, but this game is violating. Like, that's why I don't really play the game like that. Anyway, I'm gonna sign a new manager, and also I'll tell you something else before I end the video, because this game is actually violating still. Wait, let me quickly. So, okay, let me quickly tell you now. So I go on objectives. Go here. No, it's not that one. It's the Premier. I was gonna sign Messi or Neymar. Also, you can get I forgot to tell you about this. You can get the full. Barcelona squad. Even Real Madrid. I mean, not Real Madrid. Man United, Arsenal, Roma, Celtic, Monaco, Galatasaray, Manchester City. But I already Neymar. I want Messi and Neymar. That's to say, it ends in 34 days. I need to buy it before 34 days. That's even long, mad. But first we're gonna go see the manager. I want to sign a manager. It's mad. I hope they have a lot of managers there. I don't care. But I can sign up. I don't know. No, not that. Sign a manager, innit? Manager list. Where's the? Yeah, this one. This is who I want. What's his What's his play style? I don't want to sign this guy for 1,000. I don't want to sign this guy. I want to see his formation because when I saw one guy do that on YouTube, I liked his formation. I don't know why. It's mad, but yeah. So you go to thingy. I think I still have Vinicius Junior. I don't know. I think I have him, like, but not the. Oh, I have to sign a new manager, but it's mad. Change manager, innit? Method H41. Wait, how can they change? Oh, change formation. Okay. No, I don't want this formation. What's the formation called? 4-2-2. No. No, not change manager. I want to change formation. So we'll go down. 4-3-3. No. 4-3-2-1. Ooh, 2 attackers on top. Mad. 4-2-3-1. No. That was my normal one. 4. No. Is that one that has 2 things on top? Okay, it's not that one. Because that will have like... Is that 2 strikers thing? What the flip? Oh God, I don't know if I even bought a manager, but... Shit. It's not this one, man. Did I look the formation? 4-3-2-4-1, no. 4-3-2-4-1. 4-3-2-3-2. It's mad, you know. 3-1-4-2. No. 4-1-2-3. No. What's going on, man? What the I'm trying to like do that formation. I don't know how to say it, but it's mad. 4-1. No, it's not that one. That's why I want that formation that has thingy. See if I put this to. No, I'm not gonna go for this. I'm gonna go either for 4-1-2-3. That. I might go for that. I don't know, but yeah, it's mad. Get Salah there. Put Modric there, Iniesta. Oh, flip. If I put Ronaldinho there. Take off Van Dijk. Put Militao. If I put Villa. There's 93. If I put Beckenbauer there, but probably this will be my formation, I don't know, but yeah, for now, but I'll change it, innit? Yeah, I'll change it. This is my formation for now. Then I'll change it, yeah. But yeah, guys, thank you for watching. Make sure you like, share, subscribe, and I'll see you on my next video. Yeah. Peace.